Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see one of healthiest recipe and that is also rich in protein. While explaining how people have done more harm than good to themselves, we manufactured illness by not doing activities we did a century ago. Small wonder that people say health is wealth. Good health is what keeps life going. But how many of us value health and put in the right kind of effort to be healthy? 'Tis no surprise that people think health is riches. Life cannot exist without good health. But how many of us respect health and make the necessary efforts to stay healthy? A body that is inactive becomes weak and ineffective in the same way as an underused machine in a manufacturing ceases to operate. While describing human health, how we underuse our bodies in the guise of overusing technology and other luxuries, he believes that a 60-year-old would have been stronger than a 20-year-old now a century ago. As a result, he believes that there is a need to make the most use of the energy within in order to profit. Health is neither a fabrication or a notion, the Sadhguru says. If the body, mind, and life forces are effectively exercised, then health will naturally arise. To put it another way, excellent health is the outcome of making the best use of the body. We must respect our bodies and minds by eating and thinking properly. Proteins. Every cell in the human body contains protein. The basic structure of protein is a chain of amino acids. You need protein in your diet to help your body repair cells and make new ones. Protein is also important for growth and development in children, teens, and pregnant women. Protein helps in deciding your body's structure and is involved in cell division for growth, reproduction and healing. Human body contains around 100,000 different proteins made by the different combinations of 20 amino acids. Approximately 18 to 20% of the body weight is due to proteins. The lifespan of proteins is only 2 days or less. In such a situation, from breakfast to dinner, it is vital to be mindful of what to consume and what to avoid. Breakfast, in particular, is critical for keeping the body energized throughout the day. Food, they think, acts as fuel for the body. In such a case, it is critical to consider what to eat for breakfast. Breakfast with peanuts. Peanuts should be consumed for breakfast since they include all of the vital components required by the body. This is one high rich in protein. People says that they used to survive for a long time by eating soaking peanuts and bananas throughout the day. This not only fills his tummy, but it also keeps him busy throughout the day. Peanuts are high in protein, fiber and healthful fats. They also contain plenty of potassium, phosphorus, magnesium, and B vitamins along with other healthy nutrients. Besides these nutrients, peanuts contain beneficial plant compounds such as bicomeric acid, isoflavones, resveratrol, phytic acid, and phytosterols. Almonds. Almonds are rich in valuable nutrients for your body, like magnesium, vitamin E, and dietary fiber. A single serving of almonds makes for a nutritious and filling snack. Almonds have calcium and phosphorus, which improve bone health and can protect you from fractures. Let's see how to make this recipe. Keep a handful of peanuts, which we called it ground nuts, and few almonds soaked in water overnight for 6 to 8 hours. Then put it in the mixer, and if you want you can add banana or any other fruit which you liked and some amount of honey with it. Then blend it for 2 minutes. If you want to drink this mixture as a shake, then dilute it by adding a little water and consume it. Otherwise you can also eat thick mixture like oatmeal. If you'll take it in breakfast is very nutritious and people will feel energetic for 4 to 5 hours. Try this recipe and share your feedback in comments section. How long it helps you to be active. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you click down below and subscribe to the button. Hit the notification bell or leave me a comment. Thank for watching.